Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is week 2, Thursday. So starting with question number 1, it says write an expression to represent 7 less than the product of 2 and a number. Remember that an expression does not have an equal sign. So we can't have an equal sign in this problem. It says 7 less than. So that tells me that I have to use subtraction. And when I see less than, it has to go in the back. It switches the order. So 7 has to be at the back. Product tells me that I'm multiplying 2 and a number x. So 2x minus 7 would be my answer here. For the next question, the lowest point in the United States is in Death Valley. Its elevation is 282 feet below sea level. Which of the following choices expresses the elevation as an integer? Remember, below sea level means that it's a negative, so we're going to have to choose the letter B. The next one, the location of point K is shown on the number line below. This fraction is represented by the location of point K. Well, any time that you guys have a number line that's like this, my suggestion to you is to count the number that we have here that goes in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta choose that one because that's 8 eighths. Well, this landed on 6 eighths. So then we have to have 8 and 6 eighths. Well, when I take that and I reduce it, dividing it by 2.
John and Taylor, please come to the guidance office for a meeting. John and Taylor to the guidance office.
So my answer is 8 3/4 for this problem. Let's turn it to the back. Sea level is 0 feet in elevation. The elevation of land represents its height above sea level. The table shows the lowest elevation in some states. Determine whether each statement about the lowest elevation is correct. Select true or false for each statement. The elevation at the lowest point in California is higher. Well, let's first see the lowest point in California. So this one is negative 282, and it says is higher than the lowest point in Louisiana, which is negative 68. Well, which one is greater? Negative 68, which is Louisiana, so this one's false. The elevation at the lowest point in Tennessee, so Tennessee is negative, or not negative, it's a positive 178, is farther from 0, well this is 178 from 0, than the elevation at the lowest point in Louisiana. Louisiana is 68 away, so this one is going to be farther, so this one is true. The elevation at the lowest point in Louisiana, which we said was a negative 68, is higher than the lowest point in California. Well, which one is greater? Louisiana, so this one is true because it is closer to 0. So, I used inequalities to help solve these questions here. Okay guys, again, this is week 2 on Thursday. See you tomorrow.